Winter, it's beautiful, but it can be a real pain when it comes to your driveway. Shoveling snow is hard work. It takes time out of your day. And let's face it, slipping on ice is no fun. We've all been there, bundled up in the freezing cold, wrestling with a snow shovel. It's enough to make you wish for a tropical vacation. But hold on, there's a better way to deal with those winter driveway blues. What if you could say goodbye to snow shovels and ice scrapers? With a hydronic driveway heating system you can. It's like having an invisible army of snow melters working for you 24/7. Imagine this. You wake up to a fresh blanket of snow, but your driveway is completely clear. No shoveling, no ice, just a safe and convenient path for you and your car. Sounds good, right? So how does this magic work? Hydronic heating uses the power of warm water to melt snow and ice before it even has a chance to settle. Here's the gist. Warm water circulates through a network of pipes buried beneath your driveway. This gentle heat radiates upwards, melting snow on contact and preventing ice from forming. It's a clean, efficient, and surprisingly simple solution to a common winter problem. Section 4. Installing your system, from ground up or over existing surfaces. Now, you might be thinking, installing this sounds like a huge hassle. But it's not as complicated as you might think. If you're building a new driveway, the system can be easily integrated during the construction process. And if you want to add it to an existing driveway, that's doable too. We can retrofit the system without major disruptions. A qualified installer will assess your driveway, determine the best layout for the pipes, and ensure everything is connected properly. Section 5. Benefits of hydronic driveway. Heating, safety, convenience, and efficiency. The benefits of a hydronic driveway heating system go beyond just a clear driveway. Safety is paramount. No more slipping and sliding on icy surfaces. Convenience is a huge plus. No more backbreaking shoveling or early morning ice scraping. And it's energy efficient. Hydronic systems use less energy than traditional snow removal methods, saving you money and reducing your carbon footprint. Section 6. Long-term value and investment worth considering. Sure, installing a hydronic driveway heating system requires an upfront investment, but think of it this way. It's an investment in your safety, your time, and the longevity of your driveway. No more harsh chemicals that can damage your pavement. Plus, the energy savings over time can really add up. It's a smart choice for any homeowner looking for a long-term solution to winter weather woes. Section 7. Take the plunge. Enjoy winter without the shovel. This winter, ditch the snow shovel and embrace the warmth and convenience of a hydronic driveway heating system. It's a decision you won't regret. Contact a qualified installer today to get a free quote and discover how you can enjoy a safe, snow-free driveway all winter long. Trust me, your back will thank you for it.